How to add Scotiabank card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet. This is the default app in your device. In the case you cannot find this app in your device, you can head over to the App Store, search for the app Wallet, and then download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You're going to land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you're going to see this plus icon. Click on it. With that, different available card options will appear, such as Apple Card, Apple Pay Later, and so on. Head towards the option of debit or credit card. Now click on the option of continue. With that, your camera will open up. Likewise, you'll also get the option of enter card details manually. You can use any of these options to update your Apple Wallet with Scotiabank card. You can push in your debit or credit card in the frame to scan it, and with that, your card details will be updated to the Apple Wallet, or else you can click on this option of enter card details manually. Now provide your card details, type in the name, then type in the card number. After you fill this, click on the option of next. Now you will need to type in the expiration date, likewise security code, and then click on next. And go through the process. With that, your card details will be updated. Well, this is how you can easily add Scotiabank card to Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.